SubZero refrigerator model SubZero 1362355 error codes. SubZero 48-inch panel-ready designer series side-by-side Undercounter DEU 2450RR. Compact refrigerator and DEU 2450 CIL compact refrigerator freezer. Error codes. Code EC40. Problem: excessive freezer compressor run. This means that the freezer won't stop running. Fix: depending on the internal temperature of the refrigerator, you will need to do one of two things. If the internal temperature is high. If the refrigerator door is not open, but the temperature is still high, it is suggested that you contact a certified appliance repair service. If the internal temperature is normal. Clean condenser. Code EC50. Problem: excessive refrigerator compressor run. This basically means that your refrigerator runs constantly or too much. Compressor run time is affected by the amount of food in the refrigerator, temperature of that food, external and internal temperature, and length of time the door is left open. Fix: if you receive error code 50, there are a few different things you can do to fix it. Make sure nothing is blocking the door from closing and sealing correctly. Clean the condenser if it is dusty or dirty. Remove anything blocking the condenser fan blade, or tighten it if it's loose. See if the sealed system is leaking. Code EC24. Problem: defrost underheat. This means that the defroster is not heating high enough to do its job. Fix: an EC24 code fix also depends on the temperature. We recommend calling a SubZero appliance repairman if the temperature is high. If the temperature is normal, make sure the condenser is clean and clear of any dust or debris. Code EC06. Problem: thermistor inconsistencies. This means that the evaporator thermistor in the refrigerator read inconsistent temperatures on several occasions. It can also mean that the thermistor shorted for longer than 10 seconds or read open. Fix: SubZero recommends contacting a factory-certified appliance repair center to service your refrigerator. Code EC20. Problem: faulty defrost bimetal operation. A bimetal defrost thermostat prevents the refrigerator from overheating while it's defrosting. Fix: turn of the refrigerator circuit breaker. Wait 30 seconds and turn it on again. If error code EC20 does not resolve itself, contact a SubZero certified repair center.